Hi, today we're going to do something easy to do at home. This prawn and mustard with coconut cream. So let's go through the ingredients. I got some prawn nice and clean, garlic, mustard grain, pepper, salt, sliced chili, not very hot, coconut cream, spring onion, turmeric, chopped spring onion, and some onion, white onion. So cooking dishes like this more like very simple, easy, and you have to have a nice clean pan, but try to get a thick bottom pan. And then pan needs to be clean, it needs to be hot before start cooking. So I got some oil. I can use butter here, you know, like a bit of butter wouldn't be nice. So, and then my onion. So you just need to have a little bit of color. So make sure that oil is hot enough. Oil is now hot. And the prawn goes. A bit of mustard, bit of pepper, turmeric, and now look. So you can see the pan is very hot. It's like they cook only few minutes. They're all cooked nicely. Look at that. Now I'm going to add my coconut cream. See? It's beautiful coconut cream. And the chilies. They're not hot. They look nice. So I'm going to add that. Now it's time to put a little bit of garlic in the side. I want to have a fresh garlic taste. That's why I didn't put it before with prawn, otherwise it's get burned in that pot. There we go. So you can see, so simple. And my last ingredient is the spring onion, just a green color, and the spring onion chop goes in to get the flavor. Look at that. It's just a simple dish. Now finish up with a bit of salt. Like I did, it took less than 10 minutes to cook this dish. Excuse that beautiful yellows, colors all there nicely. Simple. Prawn cannot cook and keep for a long time, it gets rubbery. There you go. Not much in there. Nice beautiful prawns. I don't like when you cook prawn, you put so many other ingredients to it to make volume. So look at that. So you see, that's very easy. Simple as anybody can cook. All the ingredient has to be there. Pan need to be hot. Bang, bang, bang. All in within 10 minutes. Your dish is ready. But make sure when the dish is ready, it has to go to the table very quickly. So that's where the crunchiness and all the beautiful flavors get to your mouth straight away. So that's all for the day. We see you again with a new recipe next week. Bye for now.